चमकौटी 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुने कहानी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Good morning everyone, my name is Dia. I just recited some lines of poem on Rani Laxmibai written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Rani Laxmibai was the first Indian woman to fight for freedom from Britishers. She was born on 19 November 1828. She was originally called as Mankarina Kande. After marrying with Gangadhar Rao, the ruler of Jhansi, she was named as Laxmibai. After her husband's death, Britishers wanted to take over Jhansi, but she fought for it and defended it. Here's the fun fact about Rani Laxmibai that she used her jewelries for sending secret messages to her soldiers. Each bead and its design had a special meaning, like surprise attack or retreat or retreat. Every day, let's be inspired by Rani Laxmibai and remember her. Jai Hind.